Hello everybody. Today's topic is trigonometry. Let me introduce a trigonometric ratio in right triangle to you. As I said, in right triangle. So we should understand each side of the right triangle clearly. First of all, in any right triangle, opposite side of the 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. Always opposite side, hypotenuse. Opposite side, hypotenuse. Okay? Then, where is the x value? Angle. Opposite side of the angle, like here, is called the opposite. So, here, opposite side of the angle is called the opposite. Then, last side, third one, is adjacent because the neighbor of the angle. Look, x is here, so adjacent is here. If we know that, rest of the part is easy. Now, trigonometric ratios. There are three trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent. We should know in our syllabus. Sine in the bracket should be written angle. If you remember, x value. Sine equals the opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine angles equals the adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent angle equals the opposite over adjacent. Don't forget, angle for us x value. Answers of the trigonometric ratio is y value. Let's solve the one question together to understand better. What we said, if you look at here, sine angle opposite over hypotenuse, cosine tangent opposite over adjacent. Now, where is our angle? Our angle here. So, where is the 90 degree? 90 degree here. So, opposite of the 90 degrees hypotenuse. Opposite of the x is the opposite side. So, neighbor of the x angle, vertex is adjacent. So, what is the sign? X. You can call sine x or sine c, vertices. So, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite 4, hypotenuse 5, so 4 over 5. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3, hypotenuse 5, 3 over 5. Tangent, opposite over adjacent, so 4 over 5. Very simple. Now, you can see the question, same numbers or similar right triangle at the end, and but I picked these vertices, this angle. So, 90 degrees here, opposite side here, so it's called the hypotenuse. But opposite of the angle is called the opposite side. So, neighbor of the angles is called the adjacent. Now, when we label the sides, rest of the question very simple. Sine angle, sine y angle or vertices P. So what is the opposite side? Opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse. So cosine y or cosine B is the adjacent over hypotenuse. Same idea for the tangent. One more. Sometimes students are confused when we change the position of the triangle. But don't forget, opposite side of the 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. And then, first, which side is the hypotenuse? Then, we need to recognize the other side according to x. X opposite side is here. neighbor of the x is adjacent. Now, sine x sine b, or you can, because it is b vertex, so 5/13. Cosine angle. What's that cosine? That is the here, neighbor adjacent over hypotenuse. So 12/13 and 5/12. I don't want to repeat myself. I just want to show you different example. If you understand completely, you can stop. You can stop the video. And x is here. Which side is the hypotenuse? Opposite side of the 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. Opposite side of the angle or vertex C, opposite. So one more side we have, it's called the adjacent. Now, what is the sine? You should remember always sine x equals opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite 7, hypotenuse 25. I will continue like that. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse 24/25 and tangent opposite over hypotenuse. Thank you very much for listening to me.